stop scrolling. You won't believe how good this is. It's been trending for weeks and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Hit the link below and grab yours. People are loving this thing right now.
Yo, listen, this thing's going viral for a reason. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.
Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later.
Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. People can't stop leaving good reviews for this one, and now I get the hype.